My granddaddy died in the Second World War.
Y'all, you are not a number. The government is owned by big corporations and they don't care about you. Your boss doesn't care about you and you are replaceable. Guys, you need to get mad. You need to get mad. You are not a number. You need to get mad and you need to start doing something to be self-sustainable, self-sufficient. Make your own income. We gotta band together and make that FU money. We need to get that FU money to the big corporations and to the government. We need to get that money for ourselves because we cannot rely on them. They do not care about us at all, at all. If you would like to learn how to make that FU money, please like, follow, and comment freedom. Let's get this.